Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a deeper dive into the Roomba Combo J5 Plus. First, we'll take a quick look at what comes inside the box, then we're going to see what this robot's capable of, then we'll wrap up and get you out of here. Alright, so this is everything that comes inside the box for the Roomba Combo J5 Plus. We've got the robot itself sitting on the clean base automatic dirt disposal, 2 dirt disposal bags, 1 extra filter, 1 extra edge sweeping brush, an interchangeable Roomba Combo bin, and 1 microfiber mopping pad. So this robot comes with all the vacuuming capabilities you've come to expect from us at iRobot. Plus, with a simple swap of the bin, it's going to turn your robot vacuum into a robot vacuum and mop. Now let's quickly run through the process to get your Roomba Combo J5 Plus ready for those vacuuming and mopping cleaning missions. First, what you want to do is grab the combo bin itself, flip it over, along with your mopping pad. Slide it in and attach the pad. Next, we want to open up the reservoir here, and then you can fill this with water or numerous different types of compatible cleaning solutions. Set it off to the side for now and grab the robot. Then you can press this button right here to release the bin, to remove the vacuum only bin, and slide in the combo bin. After that, go ahead and enter into your iRobot home app and make sure 1, it's paired to your robot, and then 2, set up any no mop zones so your robot will automatically avoid area rugs and runners that are in your home. While the Roomba Combo J5 Plus is producing shiny floors in your home, it's also going to detect and avoid your life's natural obstacle course. And that can include objects on the ground like cables and cords, socks, shoes, shirts, shorts, backpacks, towels, bedding fabrics, pet toys, pet bowls, pets themselves, and even pet waste. And in fact, we're so confident we're going to avoid your pet oops that we bring you the official poop promise, where if the Roomba Combo J5 Plus runs into pet waste, we'll replace it at no charge to you. You can clean on your terms with the Roomba Combo J5 Plus, and that includes how, when, and where you want through the iRobot home app, or simply tell your favorite Alexa-enabled device to tell your Roomba Combo J5 Plus to clean wherever you want. This is the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal, and this is going to allow you to forget about vacuuming for months at a time. The Clean Base will automatically empty the dirt and debris from the vacuum bin each time the Roomba Combo J5 Plus comes home into an enclosed disposable bag. When the bag's full, simply open the lid to the Clean Base here, pull the used bag up and out, throw this used bag in the trash, go ahead and grab the nearby bag to replace it with, slide it on in, close the lid, and your Roomba Combo J5 Plus is ready to go again. That's right, no waiting for filters to dry or breathing in a 2-month-old dust cloud like you would with bagless systems. Alright, I know that was a lot of information I just spilled. Let's clean this up. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus can be turned from a robot vacuum into a robot vacuum and mop with a simple swap of the bin. It'll detect and avoid objects on the ground, including poop, and the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal will have you forget about vacuuming for months at a time. Okay, that does it for the Roomba Combo J5 Plus. If you're looking for a fantastic robot vacuum with the option to mop, add one to your cart today so you can experience double the clean with one machine. Thanks for watching, everyone.